Welcome to ProKut. We're going to be working with chainsaw sharpeners today, and we have a cordless chainsaw sharpener and a 12 volt. Let's have a look at how we can use this to sharpen your saw at home, no matter what the brand, fitted with a ProKut bar and chain. Before we begin sharpening with the chainsaw, there's a number of safety things that we have to take in mind. One, eye protection, and protect our hands as well. Chainsaw chain can become very sharp. So let's put on our safety gear and get started. Now that we've got our safety gear on, let's begin the sharpening process. Chainsaw chain comes out of the box sharp, and you should be able to use it straight away. Generally, during use of chainsaw use, it can become dull for a number of reasons, and we're looking at making each one of these tooths sharp again. Now, you will notice that there was probably some wear to the tip, or it's not cutting how you'd like it to. In order to sharpen it, we can use a range of tools, but today we're actually going to use a cordless electric chainsaw sharpener, a very handy device in order to sharpen your chain anywhere from the bench at home to out in the field. Before we start sharpening our chainsaw chain, the first thing we need to know is what size it is. Your ProKut dealer can help you with that, or it may be on the bar for you to choose. We have a range of sharpening stones, which we'll lay out here, that can be used for different size chain. Very important to get the right stone for the right chain. Once we've fitted that to our machine, it's as simply as turning it on, and the sharpening stone spins, allowing us to sharpen the chain. Let's put it on the bar and try it out. With the chainsaw sharpener ready, you'll notice there's a range of degrees on the sharpening face. This is so that you can align to the correct tooth angle. So let's put it on the chainsaw and demonstrate this. We're going to place our sharpener stone in front of the tooth that we want to sharpen, and before we turn the machine on, we're going to adjust to the correct angle that we want. Generally, about 30 degrees is a good average degree to use for any chainsaw or any chain that you're using. Once you've steadied yourself and lined yourself up with the tooth, it's as simple as turning on our little sharpening device, which will spin the stone and start the sharpening process. Again, make sure we've got eyewear and gloves protect us from the sharp chain. Here we go, let's turn it on. Now you heard the machine start there, and what we're going to do is just gently move it back and forth and provide a little bit of pressure with this guidance plate down onto the tooth. Different sizes may require slight adjustment, but you will navigate that. Let's try using the sharpener for the first time. First, we're going to place the sharpening stone in front of the tooth that we wish to sharpen. Line our body up so we're steady and we're sure that the saw's not going to move. From here, it's as simple as turning the device on, making sure that we keep that angle, and gently rub back and forth with a little backwards pressure there onto the tooth to ensure sharpening. Let's begin. Fantastic. We've just completed our first tooth, and as you notice, there will be a range of speeds that we can choose. Once the tooth is sharp, simply move the chain forward to the next one. Careful that we don't cut our hands. Place the device in again and start. Continue all the way around until it's done. Sometimes it's good to mark the tooth so you know where you're up to. That side's complete. We simply turn the saw, and we see the device has another set of angles here for us to work on the other side. Again, place the sharpening device on the saw, start and continue until the saw is sharp. Thank you for joining us at ProKut. Any further questions, see your dealer. They have all the hints and tips that you need to keep you cutting.